I'm here with Zach again.
Hello.
We're gonna dye his hair with colors that glow under black light, and I'm also gonna dye my dad's hair. He's not here at the second, but when he comes back, I'm gonna dye his hair. So let me show you the colors we're using. Alright, so these are the colors I'm using. So this is a hot pink called Candy. This is Lava. It's like a neon orange. This is Blue Muse, previously called Nirvana. It's electric blue. This is neon green, and this is neon yellow. This is how they all look out on the plates. So this is the neon yellow, the green, the blue, the pink, the orange. I'm not going to custom mix any today. I just want to use these exactly how they are to see how they glow under the black light. So, yeah.
That's gonna look so cool. I just realized how cool that's gonna look.
Hi, this is my dad. I'm also dyeing his mohawk. It's gonna match my brother's.
Super excited.